Hi there everybody, this is Moody Al-Shahabi. Today is our second Photoshop action tutorial. First tutorial we had different book actions. If you haven't seen the first tutorial yet, you can just click on the link on the top to watch and download your actions from there. Today we have some cubes actions. Let's go ahead and start right away. I will go straight forward and open my Photoshop. Go to Windows and open my Actions panel. I'm gonna load my first action today. It's a 3 images cube. Here we have 9 options of the cubes. I will only go through a couple of them. Let's try the plain one. Click on it and hit play. For best results here, you should have your designs in a square size. All 3 images should be in the same size. Select your second. Select your last image. Give it a few seconds to play the action. Here the action is asking you to add your own effect if you would like to. You can add a drop shadow or inner glow or impulse. I will just add an inner glow here. My cube is ready. You can also scale it or rotate it as you wish. Now I'm gonna try the 9 square tiles. Same method as before, just import your 3 images one at a time. Your cube is ready. Very elegant work in such no time. My last demo in this action is gonna be the puzzle one, same as the previous ones. Now I'm gonna go ahead and load my second action for today. It's a 1 image cube this time. Same method and same features like the 3 images action, but this time you will only be asked to upload just 1 image. I'm gonna play the 9 square tiles. Add your effect as you wish, otherwise just hit OK. Now to the 4 rounded transparent gaps. Go ahead and download those actions from the link in the description below. Give your designs that elegant look effortlessly. Thanks everybody for tuning in with me. Have a good day and see you soon. Bye bye.